Hi, I'm Jim. Today we're going to look at the Applause model. It's 2110 square feet with 3 full baths, 3 bedrooms, and a den. Follow me in. The Applause is a very open concept plan with our kitchen overlooking our family room and dining area, oversized counter space for entertaining. We also have many different features in our home. This is a gas community.
Hi, I'm Kathy, and I'm standing in our beautiful Applause kitchen, and I'm going to talk to you about some of our design features. Here we see our espresso cabinets, which is very complementary with our white quartz countertop and our running bond backsplash. We have a beautiful floor, which is porcelain tile, but looks like shiny marble. And then here we have a beautiful pantry with our optional shelving that comes in different stains, and you can select that at our design gallery.
The Applause model features a spacious lanai with an optional pool, great for entertaining your families and friends. The master bedroom in the Applause features many options. It has a coffered ceiling in it, our sitting area, king-size beds in all our masters, and as you come down, you can see our beautiful oversized bathroom. The Applause offers many different features. This feature shows it as a leisure room and also a home office. It can be converted. This is one of our bedrooms, but as you can see, our buyers love to do different flex rooms in our homes. They prepared this one to be a little art studio for themselves. In this particular bedroom, the Applause, it has its own ensuite bath. The laundry room is an oversized laundry room with a washer, dryer, additional room for a laundry room sink, and a special spot for your pet. Thank you so much for visiting Windward today. Hope to see you soon.